Hi beauties, Dad Scottslass here, and I'm here today to ask you a question. Are you getting what you want for Christmas this year? If your man is a subtlety sissy, here are 5 easy, subtle hints that will gently guide him in the right direction. Helpful hint number 1. Complain about your old stuff. Oh, man, if this thing tangles my hair once more. Geez, I wish I had a GHD. Helpful hint number 2. Wear your hair like Chewbacca for an entire week before Christmas. Helpful hint number 3. Leave helpful catalogues strategically placed on the bedside table. Helpful hint number 4. This one's very important. You have to make sure the person is listening. Hello everyone! GHD for Christmas! I will repeat. GHD for Christmas! Get it? And lastly, but certainly not least, helpful hint number 5. Create the Pinterest Access wishlist board and make sure the folder is public. Let's just hope he stumbles across your history on the computer and checks it out. So remember beauties, subtlety is key in getting what you want for Christmas this year. Get the hint, darling?